Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
दिनेश शर्मा कौन है ये?
Mama day.
Let everyone join.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Harshit.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, बेटा. बेटा ये दिनेश शर्मा के नाम से कौन है बेटा मीटिंग में?
Good morning, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा. दिनेश शर्मा के नाम से कौन है ये मीटिंग में बच्चे?
Ma'am, I Ahana.
अच्छा ठीक है ठीक है.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चे.
Good morning, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
Good morning, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
Good morning, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग ख्याति.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Kinjal. Shivansh is joining from 2 devices.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
ma'am.
Good
Morning, ma'am.
morning, Siksham. Good morning, beta. So that was Aradhe. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Nika.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Vyom.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Is the board clear to all of you?
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you
Yes,
know
ma'am.
lockdown is removed in Delhi.
Beta, even in many places it has been removed now.
Ma'am,
No.
Muradabad and ma'am Bareilly also.
Yes, ma'am.
Lucknow and I think Bulandshahr.
Ma'am, 2 days ago, really was.
Lucknow and
Yes,
Bulandshahr.
ma'am. It's still not opened in Meerut.
हाँ.
Ma'am,
So,
lockdown is extended in Lucknow.
हाँ, because of the cases, beta. There are many cases.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in Meerut also there was 1300 cases, so the lockdown, ma'am, resumed.
हाँ, that is why. No?
Ma'am, but it is means lockdown is not there in Bareilly now.
हाँ, now lockdown is not there in Bareilly. Night curfew as it is, and Saturday, Sunday, weekend lockdown, of course, it is there. Rest Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday till 7 o'clock. It is open.
Yes,
Right.
ma'am. And medicines and ma'am Kirana store will open throughout the day.
Exactly, exactly. These people, they keep certain things which people require, no, on daily basis. Fine.
Ma'am, I
Karthik.
have few doubts in geography.
Okay. Yesterday, Saksham, all your doubts were cleared, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Yes, Vyom, what are your doubts?
Ma'am, from first chapter.
From the first chapter, yes, please ask.
Ma'am, ma'am, Tropic of Cancer divides our India into two parts.
Yes.
Ma'am, so it divides any other country also.
Tropic of Cancer.
Yes, ma'am.
Tropic of Cancer.
Yes,
Let
ma'am.
us see the world map. Just a second.
Ma'am, I think Bangladesh and Myanmar.
Bangladesh and Myanmar into two equal halves.
Ma'am, on page number 3, ma'am, on map it is.
Just a second.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, ma'am, the Tropic of Cancer crosses from Bangladesh and Myanmar, but not, ma'am, divided in
Yeah, but
equal
it does
halves.
not divide it into two equal halves, no? It
Yes,
does not.
ma'am.
It divides but not equally.
Huh, but not equally, yes.
Okay,
Huh,
ma'am.
yes. Another doubt?
Ma'am, and equator divides the whole world Earth into ma'am two hemisphere, ma'am.
Yes. Equator
And ma'am,
divides the
ma'am,
Tropic of,
Tropic of Capricorn, ma'am, divides Australian equal two halves.
yes, yes. And equator also passes through, you know, like the Africa that we have continent. Equator divides Africa into two equal halves,
Yes. Okay,
right?
ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Another doubt, Vyom? Yes, Taran has a doubt.
No doubt, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I think Tropic of Cancer divides Saudi Arabia into two halves.
Saudi Arabia into two halves. Tropic of Cancer.
And ma'am, Mexico
नहीं
also.
बेटा. Tropic of Cancer. नहीं बेटा, सऊदी अरेबिया को भी टू हाफ में कहाँ डिवाइड करती है?
And Mexico
हाँ.
and Mexico.
But here in this chapter we are concerned only and only about India, right? Right? This brainstorming we will do in some other class, right?
Okay.
Fine. Now tell me one
Morning,
thing.
ma'am.
Good morning, Prarush. Yesterday I started with the history chapter. I had drawn a small, I gave small reasons for which deforestation happened, causes. Did you all make that in your notebook?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
That's really very good. So
Yes,
quickly,
ma'am.
quickly I'll be taking your attendance and then we'll start with the further explanation of the chapter, right?
When we will do the question answers,
Yes, Saksham?
then the question answers.
Question answers for history chapter 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You want to do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
And
we'll
ma'am, we were doing the worksheet also. That is also not completed.
worksheet we'll do as revisions, don't worry.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? I have got 3-4 worksheets with me, so that will be done during the revision part. Okay?
Ma'am, that are objective or subjective?
What? The
Worksheet.
worksheet is subjective, is objective, beta,
Okay, ma'am.
right?
Ma'am, for both geography and history.
Ha. For both, it is objective. Let us do one thing. Let me explain this topic and then we'll do the question answers. Will it be okay, class?
Ma'am, then time will not be left to do question answer.
Time will not be there.
Yes, ma'am.
No, beta, we have sufficient days.
Ma'am, please explain the chapter only.
Let us do the chapter. Okay.
I think we have sufficient time before
Yes, we'll be having sufficient time, right? Let us a quick attendance.
start in ma'am first week of July or last week of June?
Beta, June, 2nd or 3rd or 4th week, anytime. Right? Okay.
Ma'am, when we will send a date sheet and syllabus?
Beta, you will get, don't worry. I think within this week only you will get, don't worry. Yes.
Ma'am, 7th class has got the DG, ma'am, but we have not got. And ma'am, our UTs are early attended.
Beta, see, up till class 8th, the subjects are more. For you people, subjects are only 5. Right?
Ma'am, 6.
5.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, but those 6
Ma'am,
and 5
computers.
subjects are very big.
Yes, ma'am.
But then they
Yes,
are,
ma'am.
there are only 5 papers for your exams. No, there are no 7.
Ma'am,
Six
And ma'am,
6.
Ma'am, in-
Sorry,
also.
6 papers. 6 papers. Oh, I always
Ma'am, why
forget.
Ma'am, but-
GK has been removed from class
Why?
9?
Arey beta, NCRT, they don't have these subjects. No, that is why. Okay. And newspapers are
Yes,
there.
ma'am.
News is there. Your GK will improve ultimately if you are thorough with the newspapers and your if you are in touch with the news headlines every day. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
G.
6 subjects are equal to their 10 subjects, or 8 or
But
9.
Vyom, we cannot help it, beta. We cannot help it. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell.
Ma'am,
ma'am,
Ma'am, our date sheet is not prepared yet. In 9th class.
Our date sheet is what?
Ma'am, 9th class date sheet is not prepared.
No, it is prepared, beta. They will share. You don't worry.
Ma'am,
See, you are in a
and
class.
ma'am, what will
I'll
happen
tell you
in
one thing.
chemistry and bio?
Listen, I'll tell you one thing. Now you all are grown up boys and girls, right? So you are being prepared for your, future, where randomly things are given and you are prepared. So that is why when we started with the classes, I told you, as we are proceeding, you need to be by heart with everything that we are doing. Don't wait for the dates. Don't wait for anything. You should always be ready for your exams, for any random test. Your preparation should be such, right? Am I
ma'am,
clear?
so I
Yeah.
ma'am, I
Yes,
think
ma'am.
Yes?
ma'am, this first UT will be online only.
हाँ बेटा ऑनलाइन होंगे बच्चे. No, but we are not going to call anybody to school. See,
Yes,
unlocking
ma'am.
is taking place, but then still cases are there, right?
and ma'am, in annual exam, the whole syllabus will come.
हाँ जी बेटा, whole syllabus will come. No segregation, no cut short, nothing. Everything will come.
Ma'am means
And
Do
ma'am,
you
it
have
will
an
be
idea
offline.
Ma'am, in
when will
maths
schools
also.
reopen?
Every subject, everything will be there. If CBSE deletes any of the part of the syllabus, excuse me, then only that portion will be deleted. Otherwise, everything will come.
And ma'am, it will be offline compulsory.
Yes, it will be compulsorily offline. No online exam for class.
Ma'am,
nine.
if the
What?
there's a outbreak very much.
Ma'am, do you have an
बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया.
नहीं
ma'am, do
बेटा.
you have any idea when will schools reopen?
No, I can't say anything, beta. I am not Antaryami. How do I predict?
ma'am till
Idea,
next
idea.
April.
No. Huh?
Ma'am till next April.
Don't know,
Ma'am,
beta. Can't say. See the waves, the waves that are coming, the what do you call, the changes that are there, the type of cases we are having. Nobody can predict, beta. Nobody can say, right?
but I think minimum this year, I think that school will not open this year.
Last year also, no, for nobody school open. Did we open for
Ma'am
you?
in Britain third wave also came.
This is what? No. This is the reason. Chalo, let it
Ma'am,
be.
I think half yearly, ma'am, it will be online only.
Final exams will be offline. Rest all the exams, maybe they are online. Okay. Ahana,
Present, ma'am.
Aradhe,
Present, ma'am.
Arush, Abhishri, not there. Then Anokhi, Anshika Yadav,
Yes, ma'am.
Anvesha,
Present, ma'am.
Arihan,
Present, ma'am.
Arshit, Arushi,
Present, ma'am.
Aryan Gangwar, no. Asjad, no. Atharv Verma, no. Avantika is there? No. Ayushi Nimesh, no. Bhavya, no. Gurleen is there today? No. Harshit Oberoi? Himanshu?
Present, ma'am.
Himanshu.
Present.
Yes. Ishi? Arav Patel?
Present, ma'am.
Arav Patel? Not there. Then Jivyan Sharora? Kartikeya Saxena? Is Kartikeya there in the class? Kavya Tripathi? No. Khyati?
Present, ma'am.
Google. Krishna.
I'm present.
Okay. Mihika. Paurush.
ma'am.
Paurush.
Ma'am, have you
Ma'am,
marked
Paurash
my
present.
Yes, yes, I have marked you present, Divyansh.
Ma'am, have you marked me present?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am,
Yes,
Paurash present.
हाँ जी. Prachi Gangwar. Pradyuman.
Present, ma'am.
Prakhar. Pradyuman and Prakhar.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Yes. Prashasti.
Present, ma'am.
Purvi Singh.
Present, ma'am.
Saksham Sharma. Shagun
Present,
Mittal.
ma'am.
Shagun Mittal. Samriddhi is not there.
Ma'am, Shagun present.
Shagun is present. Sambhavi not there. Shashank Navodit not there. Shivansh Pal, yes.
I'm present.
Yes, Shivansh is present. Shreya.
Yes, ma'am, present.
Siddhi Mittal. Siddhi is there or not? No. Taran. Utkarsh.
Present, ma'am.
Molly. Molly.
Present, ma'am.
Vyom Saxena. Vyom Sharma.
Ma'am, Vyom Saxena present.
I'm Vyom
Rudransh.
Sharma present.
Okay, Rudransh is there. Is Rudransh Yadav there? Rudransh, are you there, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Then
have you marked me present?
yes, beta, I have marked you present.
Okay.
Yashika, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
And Vishesh Raghuvanshi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The branch is also present. Anybody left? No, all marked. Fine.
Ma'am, I.
Yes. Have I left any name? Kartike, are you there? Chalo. Fine.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Anji Harshit beta.
Last year also 9 gave exams in school only.
Yes,
Ma'am
beta.
means
Offline only.
okay, ma'am.
देखो भाई 8th में तो हम नहीं आपको प्रेशराइज कर सकते थे, 9th में तो मैंडेटरी हम करवाते ही हैं ऑफलाइन, है ना? वी फॉलो
Yes, ma'am.
एवरीथिंग. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, but will ma'am means parents से पूछा है.
No, last year no, there was no fuss created by the parents for the exams. It was to be offline only, so it was an offline exam for class 9, right? 8th also we wanted to take offline, but you people refused. You did not agree for the online exam, offline exams. And many of the children, they were falling ill. Listening to that, they will be having offline exams. Isn't it? Yes or no? Yes, class?
Yes, ma'am.
चलो ठीक है. Starting with the chapter.
Ma'am, I thought that it was your DP.
Where? This board?
Yes, ma'am.
No. Today morning only I have learned how to pin. So I have
Ma'am,
pinned.
because it was not moving.
Actually, this way I feel it is more clear, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That is why. That is why. See, I always explore. When you tell me something, I always try to explore it and make things easy for you people. Right. Yesterday we read that how British, they were responsible, like not only British, but yes, there were certain factors that were responsible for deforestation in the country. If you remember, I gave you one point of commercial forestry. Do you remember that?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So in this commercial forestry, there were several factors which were responsible for the rise of commercial forestry. And because of this commercial forestry, there were different impacts on lives of people. Various, forest acts, they came into being. And then shifting cultivation, which was a very regular practice by these tribal groups or the tribes living in the forest areas, that was also affected by the commercial forestry. So in this class, we are going to read about all of them one by one. Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. See, Indian rise of commercial forestry, I think it is all clear. The first thing that you need to understand is that because of the introduction of the commercial forestry, several forest acts, they came into being. The first one was the Indian Forest Act, which was enacted in the year 1865. And after the enactment of 1865, British government, which was there, the colonial rulers, those who were there, they took advice of Dietrich Brandis. Now, who was this Dietrich Brandis? He was a German, right? He was a German, and he was very good in, imposing the scientific forestry. And he was the one who introduced the scientific forestry in the country. And he was also the first forest inspector general in India, Inspector General of Forests, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh.
And
Right.
who can you please tell again?
What Saksham? Who was he? He was the Inspector General of Forests in India.
No, ma'am, the name. The name.
Dietrich Brandis. It is there in your book. Don't worry. When we will read, you underline that time. Okay. Right. Now,
Okay, ma'am.
the Indian Forest Act of 1864 came into being. Then the Forest Act that was enacted, it was amended twice. Once it was amended in the year 1878, and second time when it was amended, it was in the year 1927. Now, under the Act of 1878, the forest cover that was there in the country, that was it was categorized into three categories. It was divided into three categories: the reserved forest, protected forest, and the village forest. Right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what was the difference between reserved and protected forest?
I'm coming to that. Coming to that. See, reserved and the protected forest, you're asking, no?
Yes, ma'am.
See, reserved and the protected forest which were there, they were reserved forests were the best of the forest. The best species of the wood were there in this reserved forest, and the protected forest which were there, they were again for the British. They from the village forest and from the protected forest, only those who were permitted were allowed to take the goods. Otherwise, reserved and protected forest, no localite was allowed to collect the byproducts of forest from these forests.
Ma'am, which type of trees do protected forest contain, ma'am? Like the reserved one, it also contains the high quality one.
See, reserve protected both the forest areas. They covered the hardwood that was required by the British.
Okay, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, after the categorization of the forest areas, anybody who was found, collecting goods, forest goods from these areas, they were punished under law. And several other acts also came into being. Like there was one act was initiated by the British, which was called by the name of Criminal Tribes Act. Class 8th, I told you about this Criminal Tribes Act, if you remember. Do you remember it? No?
No, ma'am.
Hmm.
No, ma'am.
No issues, no issues. Now see, this first part is clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
See,
Yes, ma'am.
when
Ma'am,
just
what was District Bandris?
Dietrich Bandris he was a German, he was a German by nature, by birth, and he was the one who, from whom the British officials, they took advice how to go for the commercial forestry. right?
So, ma'am, he advised ma'am British to do so in India or ma'am
Yes, in India.
everywhere.
No. He was a German expert. He was advised. He was taken. Assistance was taken by the British how to go for the commercial forestry in India. Keeping in mind the variety, the species that were there in the country, British were not able to, impose, like they were not because they were not adapted in this, so they thought of taking advice from Dietrich Brandes because he was expert in this, right? So they called him to India and they showed him that these are the forest areas. Look at the forest cover. It is very thick, but then there is no segregation. There, all the species which are there, they are completely mixed. You have to segregate. You have to find. If you want to take a hardwood and if you need to check the quality, then you have to roam throughout the forest area. So this was something which was making life of this British, difficult, because they wanted good supply of wood, and then how to recognize, that was also one part. So Dietrich Brandes was given this task of doing it, and once he, toward the forest, and he realized that India needs to go for a commercial forestry, scientific forestry. And under this scientific forestry, what he did, he like all the trees that were there, they were cut it down, they were put down, and then in place of those trees, similar species of trees were grown in a straight line. This was called as scientific forestry, right?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, Indian Forest Act was formed in 1865 or 1864.
1865 it was. Yes, you have to make, Vyom. You have to make this. Let me explain you, then I'll tell you to make. Okay. Now, 1865, the Indian Forest Act came into being, and when Dietrich Brandes came to India in 1864, he formulated the Indian Forest Act. And after formulating it, it came into being, it came into force in 1865, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. This portion is clear and understood
Can
to
you
all?
please explain the difference between reserved and protected villages?
Yes, ma'am.
Dekho, reserved forest which were there, they were the best of the forests, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then protected forests which were there, they were also good. They were also having good species, but then from the protected and the village forest, people were, the villagers, those who were there, or the tribes, those who were there, they were allowed to take wood for using it as fuel only from the protected and the village forest. But no byproducts were taken by these people because they were not permitted to take anything else except for the fuel wood, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Even for house building also, these people were permitted, allowed to take wood from the protected and the village forest, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, village forest did not contain any good quality of wood.
There were woods, but then there were several byproducts were also there. And see, not allowing people to enter any of the categorized forest, it would have created, complete unrest among the people. So just to avoid that complete unrest wala thing, these things were like these places were kept open. But the worst part of this was that those people who were guarding these forests, the ones who were acting as guards, or the forest police, these people were very bad. They used to exploit the villagers, innocent villagers, if they were taking wood. Like, though it was free, they were allowed to take wood from here. But then also these guards, they used to, what do you call?
Ma'am, take money or ma'am,
They
take some
used to,
goods for themselves.
they used to take money from them. They used to say that if you will take good from here, and if you will not pay me, I will complain about you that you have taken things from reserved forest. So this kind of, what do you call, isko kya bolte hain hum, exploitation was done by these people, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
So you need to write down this first part. Will you do it right now, or shall I explain and then you will do it?
Ma'am, you shall.
Ma'am, you shall
After the
explain.
explanation, ma'am.
Ma'am, you shall explain.
Okay, fine. Now coming to the rise of coming to the second part, that is effects of forest acts on the lives of people. As we all know, whenever we are debarred from something that we are using regularly, we of course we feel hurt, we feel cheated, and we feel as if we don't belong to this place does not belong to us. So similar kind of feeling, these tribal groups which were there, they were also having. Now because of the forest acts that were imposed, everything that was there in these forest areas under the forest act, it became illegal for the common people, for the forest dwellers to collect these goods, forest goods especially. So if without permission they are taking, that means they are doing some crime, and they were to be punished under law. And then because of this strictly imposing the forest acts, people, the localites, those who were there, they were forced to steal wood. अपने ही घर में इन लोगों को चोरी करनी पड़ रही थी, आप ऐसा समझ लो। भाई फॉरेस्ट जो थे ये इनके खुद के घर थे, they were the ones who were like who were born there, and they grew up using the forest goods. But then at a point of time, when these britishers they came inside, and when they made these laws and all, people were not allowed to take even a normal piece of wood without the permission of the officials or the guards, those who were there. So this made their life miserable. Reason being, whatever was available in the forest areas, these people were adapted in using them. Like acha, I don't know whether to you people I was telling or not. Yesterday in the class, I think I told you that all the wood, the various species of trees which were there in the forest, they had different uses. Like for grating the vegetables, the bark of one of the tree was used, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I think I told you in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Then the creepers which were there, they were used to make ropes. The thorny barks of the summer tree which was there, it was used to grate vegetables. Then there were various this mahua tree, you must have heard of mahua tree. The oil of this tree was used to burn the lamps, to light the lamps, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then bamboo,
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
bamboo has several multiple uses. So bamboo that was in the forest was used for different purposes, but then they were not allowed to use it. Now forest people, these people, those who were there, all the forest products which were there, whether it was roots, whether it was leaves, whether it was the fruits or the tubers, everything had a different use for them. They utilized each and every part of tree for their livelihood. And after these acts were imposed, they were not allowed to use these forest resources at all. So their life became a hell, and they had to perforce jump into stealing. And later on, because of the imposition of the Criminal Tribes Act, they were categorized as criminals for taking wood from their own places. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
This much is
Yes,
clear
ma'am.
and understood? Clear and understood?
yes, yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, but the
Yes, ma'am.
tribals used to live in these forests only. So, ma'am, they were also being, ma'am, thrown out from that place.
Of course, they were told to move out, but then they were so this thing helpless. They had to listen to they had to agree to whatever the British officials told them. Like many of the people, they were taken, they were kept as guards. Many of the people, they were told to work in the reserved and the protected forest. And for working there in those forests, instead of getting payment for that, they had to pay. Because why they had to pay? Because when they were working there, they were allowed to take certain goods with them. So in lieu of that goods that they were collecting from these areas, they were supposed to pay. So this way, like many of the people were accommodated this way to be there in those places only. But some of them, of course, they were forced. Those who did not agree to the conditions of the British, they had to migrate from the forest areas to the plains, right?
Okay,
Right?
ma'am.
Clear and understood, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Ahana, please ask.
Ma'am, all the family members were told to work in the reserved and protected forest, or only the men were told to do
It was
so?
completely the choice of the person whether the person wanted that the whole family should work, or like children were not allowed, only the adults could work. So that was completely willingness of the person, depending that how willing the person is to work with the family or without family, just one member or all the 4, 5 or 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, whichever the number of members they had, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm. Now,
Okay, ma'am.
shifting cultivation, you know what is shifting cultivation, class?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
ma'am,
Okay,
it was done by the nomads.
it was done by the nomads. Now, what type of cultivation is this? Can anybody explain?
Ma'am, in this, ma'am, a certain group of tribals men settle at a place, and ma'am, if the resources of that place are extinguished,
Hmm.
ma'am, exhausted, ma'am, they go to other place and settle there.
Okay,
And when the
fine.
cycle goes on.
The cycle is repeated after 2 to 3 years. This is what?
And ma'am, in this, ma'am, they cut the trees and ma'am, plants, and
Uh,
ma'am, the ashes, and ma'am, the ashes they get, ma'am, they use it for cultivation.
Very good. Very good. See, shifting cultivation is a practice which is done by most of the nomads in the forest area also. Even in the present time also, most parts of, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, northeast regions that we have, even in south also, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, this shifting cultivation is practiced by the tribes, tribal groups, right? Now, this why British considered this shifting cultivation as a bad practice, because they felt that in this shifting cultivation a patch of land is cleared, right? Now on that patch of land whatever vegetation is there, that is cut down, and then when it dries up it is burnt, and in the ashes the seeds are sown. So cultivation takes place for 2 to 3 years, or say 4 years, depending upon the quality of the soil. And after 2 to 3 years or 3 to 4 years, when the land completely loses its fertility, whole group used to shift to another patch of land, and this was repeated after every 3 to 4 year. And this was this shifting cultivation, British held this shifting cultivation responsible for the deforestation, the cutting down of the good trees as well. So just to ensure that no more wood trees are cut down by the shifting cultivators, what they did, they imposed complete ban on shifting cultivation, right? And when this shifting cultivation was banned by them, it became very difficult for the tribals to survive in the forest areas, and they were forced to migrate from there. And those who did not wanted to migrate, they became, they started revolting against the British laws which were there. They started gathering you, they started collecting at a place, they started sending messages to each other that now the water has gone above our heads, we are no more in a condition to accept what these people are telling us, so let us go for a rebellion. And this tribal revolt that was there, in this chapter we are going to read about Bastar and Java. Yesterday I told you about Bastar and Java, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
how,
ma'am.
so
Yes,
how the
ma'am.
people,
Yes, ma'am.
How the people of Bastar, they opposed by showing their rebellious nature to the British government, and perforce, though the rebellion, the revolt was suppressed by British government, but then after a great try, the British officials, they really had to, uh, work very hard. They had to, put all these people under, great suppression, brutal suppression was done, and ultimately they were able to control it. But then after that, the British government had to bring certain changes in the laws that were imposed by them initially, right?
Ma'am, why?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, because they were not in a condition, like British were not in a mood to go, to go for these battles and all, fights and all. They were fed up of this. They said that our, if we are involved, engrossed in these battles and all, how we are going to think about exploring more and more of the Indian resources. So their main motive was
Ma'am,
to,
so the tribals do not understand that the land has started losing its fertility. That land is complete waste.
no, it was an age old practice. They were doing it, beta. They were leaving those land areas. They never used chemical fertilizers.